In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offer payment plans at checkout using Payhip. This is a handy feature that can cater to a wider audience, making your product more affordable and thus increasing sales. Let's dive into this process that combines ease and effectiveness. To begin, you'll want to create a new product in your Payhip dashboard. When you're there, simply navigate to the Products section and click on Add New Product. This will kick off the setup for your new offering. As you continue, you'll want to select Membership as your product type. This choice allows you to set up a payment plan through Payhip by breaking down the cost for your customers over a period. Now, it's time to set up the details for your membership. Start by giving it a relevant title. Something straightforward like Product Name Payment Plan could work well. In the description, you should clearly articulate what the customer will receive and outline the specifics of the payment plan. Ensure this section is clear, covering any questions a customer might have before committing. When it comes to pricing, set the total price of the product and carefully specify how often payments will be made, such as weekly or monthly. It's crucial at this stage to ensure you have already connected a payment processor, like Stripe, to manage these recurring payments. Doing this establishes the financial infrastructure required to support your payment plan. From here, you will need to configure the payment plan itself. Within your membership product settings, head over to the Pricing tab. This is where you'll get into the specifics of your payment setup. Specify the amount that will be paid at each interval, making sure it aligns with the product pricing you previously decided on. Next, choose how frequently these payments should occur, whether that's weekly, monthly, or another interval that suits your business model. One of the potential advantages you might consider offering is a trial period, a free phase before the payments start, that might encourage hesitant customers to try your product. Additionally, you can set a custom amount for the first payment if you wish, which provides further flexibility in how you structure the offering. Finally, delivering the product access is the finishing touch. Once your customers have completed the payment plan, you'll need to ensure they receive the product. If you're providing access to a digital product, this can be a seamless process simply by enabling access upon completion. However, if you're dealing with a physical product, it's vital to have your shipping options properly set up in your Payhip store to manage and fulfill these orders efficiently. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to offering attractive and flexible payment plans for your customers on Payhip. Take your time setting everything up to ensure a smooth experience for both you and your buyers. Thank you for joining me today, and best of luck with your sales.